سڵاتان لەبازان خۆشەویستان بەخێبن بۆ ڤیدیۆکی نوێ لە یاریەکی نوێ لە مۆبایلەوە گەڕاینەوە لاتات. ئەم جارە یاری بۆردەرلاند یەکە کە 5 ئیپسۆدی هەیە، بەڵام ئێمە تەنها ئیپسۆدی یەکەم تاقی دەکەینەوە، واتە یاریەکە هۆڵ تڕوو ناکەین، تەنها یەک ڤیدیۆ لەسەر دەکەین. ئەگە بتوێت هەموو ئیپسۆدەکانی تر بکڕیتەوە دەوێت بە $5 بیکڕیت، هەر ئیپسۆدی $3.
Back again to hear another story of immense fortune and unthinkable peril. Well, I have some time. The borderlands of Pandora were told to contain mysterious alien treasure troves filled with advanced technology and incredible power. Vaults, the people called them. And to seek one out was to earn you the title of Vault Hunter. At least by me. You could say Handsome Jack was one such explorer, though his methods could be seen as somewhat unsporting. He ran the corporation Hyperion and died trying to claim Pandora as his own. History's attention is fickle, my friends. It will remember those pirates like Handsome Jack, but forget the adventurers who risk it all for less. Obvious rewards. Stories, legends, those are much better at getting at the real spirit of things. Stories remember both sides of the tale.
گوتی ستۆری واتە چیرۆکی لێجندەکانە، واتە بەهێز و تایبەتەکان ئەوە دەست پێ دەکات بزانین چی دەوێت. خۆ یاری بۆردەرلاند لە Xbox 360 بەشی یەکەم لە Xbox 360 وەروە PlayStation 3 هەبوو، بەشی یەکەم و دووەمی لەم دوو کۆنسۆڵە بوو، بەشی سێمی ژوار لە ڕێگایە وابزانم کۆتایی 2009 یان 2020 بڵاو دەبێتەوە بۆ PS4 Xbox One و PC کۆمپیوتەر.
Fiona! Come on, we can work this out!
Fiona?
What, is there some sort of radiation leak I don't know about?
Nine rice, huh? Please. وەرزانمە کارەکتری کە یاری پێدەکەی یەک لێدان گێزی تر بکەوتە خوارە و لۆس خۆی چوو بەستیەتی دەیبا لەگەڵ خۆی و ئاڕی و دەتوانی قەلارەکان بدەیت.
What is happening right now?
I ask the questions.
Okay, then do you mind asking yourself what you're doing? Oh, what the hell?
Tell me about the Gordis project.
Is that what this is about? Look, Gordis is bad business. If you want a real hot investment, I am on the ground floor of some property on the... Okay.
Don't be a smartass. I'm not a patient person. So just start talking.
Just where do you start when you're getting dragged through the desert and,
From the beginning.
Right. I guess it all started with a promotion. See, I'd spent my entire career up at Hyperion, so I suppose that makes me one of the bad guys in this story. And Handsome Jack, he was the baddest guy of them all.
This long. It must feel good to finally grab it,
just like him.
Take it. It's yours, right? I mean, you always said that.
Everyone did.
I gotta be honest, I always thought it was sort of cheesy, but hey, here we go.
Resulted in the company overflowing with assholes.
mentioned Jack died, it somehow got even worse. It took some time to fit in. But a few stabs and select backs, a new haircut, and the help of a couple friends, I was on my way to get the promotion that was going to change my life. Scratch that. Our lives. For the better. I was a little distracted. It was a big day for us. Luckily, Vaughn was concentrating on the important things.
What's the first thing you're going to buy? I know what Henderson's making. I do his payroll. If you're getting a fraction of what he earns, you'll be rolling in it. Being an exec in Hyperion comes with expectations.
And I figure I could get lunch. Seems like a good place to start.
Well, then we're starting with 3 of whatever's most expensive.
Sure.
And wine pairings.
For lunch?
We're gonna get twisted, bro. If I'm not puking up $500 in food and alcohol this afternoon, then we are doing it wrong. We're meeting with a vet afterward to celebrate. She booked us a table.
Yep. Sounds good.
Look, we had to do a lot of awful stuff to get you to this point. Do I regret some of it? Sure I do. Every night it haunts my dreams, but that doesn't matter now, because you made it. You deserve this, man. And don't ever think you don't. And don't ever think about the Iridium mine deal we put together. Those people have to work somewhere, right?
Thanks for the help, Vaughn. Really. I couldn't have done this without you and Yvette.
Hey, man, don't sweat it. I'm just happy we even got you here. You know, I crunched the numbers one night and figured out there was a 45% chance someone would kill you before this day.
Glad that didn't happen.
Me too. It was real touch and go there for a bit. All right, man. Let's get that Hyperion face on.
Oh, right, yeah.
Sneer face smell rise in store.
No, we need some condescending. It's a little too friendly right now. Okay, tell you what. Tilt your head back. Like if you ask me if there's anything up your nose.
How's that?
There you go. You don't respect me at all. Perfect.
Mr. Henderson?
Have a seat, Reese. I'll just be a second. No, I wasn't talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you now. Yeah, but I don't want it in red. I want it in black. Because black is better. Look, don't concern yourself with why, okay, Jerry? Concern yourself with how. And just send the car over when it's ready. Company car. Didn't even have to ask. You look surprised to see me, Reese, and if I'm reading the situation right, and I usually am, you're not too happy about it either. This all came together quick, so you might not have been in the loop, but it's for the better, at least for me.
Well, congratulations on your promotion. I love what you've done with the office, going for the whole minimalist thing.
Oh, that's cute. You're going to be reporting to me now, Reese. And I want you to know the promotion that you worked so hard to get. That's still coming to you.
Well, that's a relief. Because
But this is about more than that, Reese. It's about your future in this company. Look, you want to know the reason why I'm in that chair and you're not? For the exact same reason why North is North. Why the handsome guy always gets the girl. And why every spaceship in the universe is shaped like a cock. It's destiny, Reese. And men, real men like me, make their own. And you could hold a grudge if you like. No harm, no foul. Your thoughts are your own. But bad things can happen when you swim against fate. Sometimes men find themselves standing in the way of other men's destiny. You don't want to be that man. Wow, I could not have timed that better. That really helps dramatically make my point. Which is this. This promotion is going to take you out of the way of other people's destiny and put you on your own path. And that, my friend, is why I am promoting you to... Jerry, why isn't my new car digistructed in my office yet?
Vasquez, it's August.
Oh, August. Yeah, cool. Listen, I actually have somebody here with me, so.
Are you buying this vault key or what? Because
How did this happen so quick? I thought I'd have more time. Of course, I'm still interested. Yes, I'm near a computer. 10 million. Yeah. It's just that's a lot of money to get together on short notice. I mean, I'm not trying to be obstinate, but I need time.
خۆی یاریەکە لایەن کۆمپانیای تێڵتێڵەوە دروست دەکرێت کە زۆر یاری وەکو یاریەکان ڤیدیۆ ئەم یارانەی دروست کردەوە کامیان داگرین.
Do you want the money or not? Because look, are you going... Why are you turning this into a whole thing right now?
دای دەگرم بەڵام هیچ ناکات نازان بوو.
Yes. Yeah, that's what we had before. It's a working day, August, and I just got this promotion.
نازان چی وردە کۆتایی بە ڤیدیۆکە دێنێ هیوادارم ڤیدیۆکەتان بەدڵ بێت لایک و سابسکرایبتان بینێتێت وەرەوە ڤیدیۆکە شەرکەن بۆ هاوڕێیانتان وەرەوە زەنگوڵەکەش ئەوەم بکەن تاکو بینەری ڤیدیۆکان
Look, are you going...
تا ڤیدیۆکی تر کاتێکی تر خواتان لەگەڵ